Hi guys, welcome to my channel Learning Inspiration Portal, and I am your host Manuel Colasso. So today guys, we will be doing the unboxing of my new tire which I have received from Amazon. That is my 26-inch Mtb tire for my Mtb. So hope you like my unboxing video, and if you do like my video, I request you to please do like, share and comment and subscribe for more such videos guys. And if you do have any suggestions, do please drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching guys.